Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 32 of the Crossword Collage Challenge, and this is hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And our prompts are just using crosswords, putting something in there, and building a collage around that. So I've got Silk Does a Body Good, and I have got this image here that I got from a magazine, and I'm just going to build around that. So let's see how we're going to do this. I think I'm going to bring this down a little bit so you can kind of see the glass. I want to make sure I see silk up here, and I'm kind of got the silk dresses and the silk milk. So I've got Marlena Dietrich in her finery. Let's see, I'll find somewhere to put that. And then I've got some different items to put around. You see the hands coming out, looks like the guy, so looks like she's reaching for him. And I'm going to tuck that, I think, in there somewhere. And we have got these ladies. We have got Queen Elizabeth. So I will tuck her in somehow. And I think I'm going to start putting some stuff down just to kind of not get bombarded with having to pick up and move, because I'll forget where I have everything. So I know I'm going to want this up here, so I'm going to go ahead and put that down. I hope everybody's doing great. It has been so cold. In fact, church was canceled today because the heat went out. So it's been pretty harsh. When I got up this morning, it was 14 degrees. It was 14 yesterday when I got up. Okay, let's see, make sure. Could scoot her over, but I do want to see the milk, and I want to see the milk, the glass, and so I'm thinking something along those lines. So let me get this down. And I'll go ahead and get this part of the glass down. And I will get her down. This old magazines. Okay, and I'm gonna trim that off just so I can get a better feel of what it's gonna look like. And then I can do my tucking around. I am, a season or two into, I'm in my last season, but I'm a show into the last season or series of WPC 56 that's out. It's been really good. I've enjoyed that. And when I finish that, I'm going to start with the killing. I saw the first show of it, and it was really good. And I have got to find me a book to start reading. My last one was a dud. I couldn't finish it. They're not all winners. It was just one. I was just trying. I get free books on my Kindle. And sometimes that's where I found Jana DeLeon. But sometimes you don't find good ones. So, all right. Now, let's see about getting Marlena down. I think that's good. Get her, I wanted her elbow in if I could. Oh, I missed the beautiful silk dresses and the style from the old, well, of course I wasn't alive then, but just that sense of style. Now let's see how I want to do this. I liked her up here. I don't know who she is. And these are ladies from the screen, but I'm not sure who they are. Kind of tuck. I don't know, maybe something like that. And I've got Marilyn Monroe and Jane Russell. And let's see who else I have. I've got, can't forget Queen Elizabeth and Carolyn Kennedy. So I like that. So let me get to tacking that down. And I say that knowing that I haven't worn a dress in years. But I remember wearing dresses when I first started first grade. And then to just pants all the way. Blue jeans in high school. Go. Just kind of tuck them right there. Okay, now I can come back, and this is just a fun one. All right. And now I'll just put that somewhere like that. And let's see what else I can add to make it pretty. Got these pretty butterflies. Got a little bit of red going on there, so that's what I might do. See if I can get that kind of close so you don't have so much of the glare. I love the stickers, but they have that acetate on them and they do have a glare. But they're so pretty. see here if I can get the sticker up. There we go. That. Here, I like this one. And maybe this one going in the other direction. I like the little bit of gold and it has. You cut out these. They don't just peel off. You cut out around it, and then it's just one solid sticker. So I kind of want something to break up those squares there. Alright, be sure and check out Barbie's channel. She is so talented. I have so much fun watching her. I love her surreal. Let's see, maybe that right there. And that one there maybe. Okay, I like that. And I think I'm going to go with gold splatters because I like them. Okay. Okay, I like that. I think I'm just going to I don't know if it's going to do very well on that magazine paper, but just kind of go around the edge. Give me a little bit of a gilded frame here. I am behind. My husband and my youngest son have been on vacation this week, so I have been lazy. I've been watching a lot of Harrow. We're on season 2 of it, and it is really good. Yeah, it's got the it stars the guy that played Reed Richards in the Fantastic Four, the first one. They didn't do those movies right. If you read comics, you hate to see your characters messed up. Alright. Well, I'm going to say this is done. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.